Hi, this is Shane McIntyre with the Week 3 video journal. Taking a look at what I've done so far with the fieldwork intervention assignment. So I have identified a student in my class. His particular area that I'm going to focus on, it's a need for communication. Basically what's going on is he makes a lot of noise in class, calls out, not necessarily directed to anyone in particular, but makes a lot of noise during class, and it's definitely attention-seeking behavior. A good example, the other day, the students are working on some busy work at the beginning of the day. I'm taking roll, getting ready to get things started, and he's back there just making noise, a lot of noise, just loud. And he's looking for attention. For him, positive attention, negative attention doesn't matter, it's all attention. So that is the area that I'm going to be focusing on with him for this fieldwork intervention assignment. I have considered some of the different evidence-based practices, the EBPs, what I think would be most appropriate to use with him, and I am going to work with him using functional communication training. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to work with him to teach him a new way to gain attention, whether that's from the peer next to him, if that's from me, whatever it is. I'm going to teach him the correct way, the positive way to get attention. And I think he's going to find that gaining a positive attention versus the negative attention that he's getting now in class is going to be much more rewarding. And he probably will find that there's less need to gain that attention when the only attention he's getting is positive attention. So that's why I'm going to use this intervention with him. Basically what's going to happen is we're going to put his outbursts and his noise making on extinction. So I'm going to be ignoring the negative attention-seeking behaviors, knowing full well that they're going to increase before they go away, and going to reward the positive attention seeking behavior that he's engaging in, and as well as teaching him some. So it's going to be coupled with other EBPs also. There'll be some social skills training, there'll be some modeling that will take place, but the main EBP that I'm going to be using is functional communication training. To make sure that there's fidelity of implementation, that we're actually doing what I'm setting out to do, I'm going to make sure that my classroom aide is 100% on board with everything, that I have explained the entire process to her, that she knows, this is where we're at right now, this is where we're trying to get, and basically, that we're both on the same page. To make sure that she's not doing something that I'm not, or that I'm not doing something that she's not, or that we're not. I don't want it to be that maybe I'm trying to ignore, and so I'm putting behavior in extinction, but maybe she isn't, or the other way around. We both need to be on the same page to make sure that we are implementing the plan exactly the way that we want to, so we have that fidelity of implementation. So it should be an interesting process. We're definitely going to see how it goes. So far, it's been a lot of observations of other students, and I have not directly tried a lot with my own students of the things that we've been learning through the Autism Authorization Program. So we're going to put some of that into actual practice and see what happens. So I hope everyone's having a good week, and we will check back later. Thank you.